It's ThreadUp Thursday, and so you know what that means. We're going to open a ThreadUp box. Today we are going to open the ThreadUp Fun Box, which is one of my favorites. It contains 10 miscellaneous items, and it's $34 plus shipping plus tax. This one is one of the newer ones that came. It's like the little psychedelic polka dots. So hopefully this one will be good. This one came to us from Suwanee, Georgia. Hopefully you guys have been following along in my listing challenge. I'm almost done, y'all. Listing every day for the month of May. I am doing a giveaway associated with that challenge. So make sure to check out my shorts feed and comment so you can be entered for a chance to win an Amazon gift card. The giveaway is no way associated with YouTube. I'm just going to send you a gift card. Okay, I'm going to pay for it and all that good stuff. So make sure you're checking that out. It's been helping a lot getting caught up on listing all my inventory because, I mean, let's be honest, listing's like the least fun, okay? So, and my sales have picked up, which is not surprising considering I don't think I had listed for like 2 months. It was not good. Okay, so let's see what we got. It's a little smushed on the top. And let's see what, we do have the receipt. So let's see when I ordered this one. I ordered this one on April the 15th. So pretty recent. I'll give you guys a little peek. The box that I opened last Thursday was a designer box, also from Georgia, in the older style box, but it had the newer tissue. So very interesting. We have the older tissue, but with the newer style box. So what you doing, Georgia? We don't know. Okay. Let's see what we've got. It looks like maybe we've got a little color theme going on with like a mint green. That's fun. I know I love, or I know that y'all know that I loved the themed boxes. So what I'm looking for in this box is a variety. I like a lot of different stuff, not all socks. So as long as it's fun and interesting and maybe there's an item in there or two that can make me my money back, I'm all good with it. Okay, so the first item that is on the top slid right out of my hands. Looks like it's a little cosmetic pouch. Lay and Go Cosmo Plus. Very cool. So this kind of reminds me of the little lug bags. But it looks like you unzip it and then everything like lies flat. That's cool. Looks like you can either use it for like jewelry or like cosmetics. I think that's really cool. It says it's washable and it's 21 inches when open, and then it comes in this little bag. So that's cool. I like that. Next, which you kind of saw off the top, was this mint green shirt. This is really soft, you guys. Super soft, little pajama short. I will go ahead and give you guys pricing today if you're interested in purchasing. I should be back from my trip tomorrow, pre-recording. So if you're interested in purchasing anything, it won't take super long for me to ship out to you. And I can invoice you from the road. I will have my computer with me. Okay, so this is awesome. This is by Torrid, and it is a new attack. So Torrid Sleep. This is in a size 0, which is their size large. So it'd be like a size 12. Super cute, sleep short, and just trust me, y'all, this is like very soft. I don't see a price on here. The name of it is Lightweight Lounge Short. Very nice. So I'm happy with that also. All right, let's pull this other item we saw off the top. Also looks like we have a new tags. This is Mia and Tess. Someone ripped the price off. This says Just Do Scarf Surf M&T. One size fits most. So maybe it's like a wrap. I don't know. Let's see. It's also very soft. Okay, so we just have like a long like wrap scarf. This is really nice, you guys. Super soft. You've kind of got that mint green and then these little cream balls throughout. I love that. See what the material is. It does say designed in England. It is machine washable, 20% polyamide and 80% polyester. So very soft, long, got a raw edge, new with tags. So yay, I'm happy about that. So now that we kind of remove those top items, y'all, let me give you a peek into the bottom of this. We've got like some little boxes. Can you see down here? There's 2 little boxes. I see some socks, something bubble wrapped. And it looks like maybe a buff or something here. I don't know. All right, let's pull this off. Oh, the bubble wrap kind of stuck to it. Okay, we'll do that one next. All right, we've got a buff. This says Cool Net UV Plus Multifunctional Headband. So it's UPF 50, which is great, especially moving into summer. Here's the picture of the little guy with his little headband on. So you can wear it around your head. Maybe if you're out, you know, swimming or running or doing something like that. Let's see if there's a price on this. And this one says it is cooling. I don't see a price on here, so I'll have to look up this brand. I always love anything that has the UV protection because I am a melanoma survivor, and when I'm outside, I wear like UPF clothing. Look how cool that design is. Okay, awesome. Another new with tags item. So let's see what's in this bubble wrap. Thinking maybe jewelry, which I've got in these beautiful earrings that I purchased from Brighton that he unboxed. And then the bracelet also that I got from him in one of his mystery boxes. If y'all haven't checked out his mystery boxes, he does have a playlist, not just of me opening his mystery boxes, but of everyone who's ordered one. And I will link that above. So you can go in and see all the different types of mystery boxes he puts together. They're really fun, y'all. Okay, so we do have jewelry. It is a, let's see if I can, it's a little tangled, hold on. It's got a little fuzzy. Also in a mint green, kind of sticking with that theme. You've got these faceted, almost seed beads, but a little bit bigger than that. Mint green beads that drop down into some little gold tone beads. And then look at that druzy, y'all. So pretty. And it's got like the little gold on the side. And then you can see the druzy on the back. I don't see any branding or anything like that, but that's really, really pretty. I love that. If anyone's interested in this, let's just do this one. Let's just do this one for $3. That's really pretty. Otherwise, I'll hold on to that. Okay. I think we should save the boxes for last. Okay, next up, we've got 2 pairs of socks. This one is a Nike Classic sock. It says 12 bucks. It is a size medium. For men, fits a size 6 to 8. Women, 6 to 10. So if anyone's interested in these, let's just say, I don't know, $4 for these. Looks like there's 2 pairs in here, and maybe they're like a crew length. If these were bigger, I would give those to my kids because they wear socks like that. Okay, next, we have a pair of compression socks. Y'all, I love compression socks, which is so weird. That's like, I feel like such a strange thing, but I really do. This is for shoe size 4 to 10. This is a compression knee high. This says energy zone performance, reduces fatigue. And they're in this really cool, like neon with a blue toe. I feel like those blues are different though. I feel like this is bright and this is dark. It's kind of weird. Maybe that's why they're in here. Who knows? If anyone's interested in these, looks like they were originally $15.99. We'll just say $4. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think this is the last item until we get to the boxes. And we've got a bra, which I love selling bras. This is a Hanes. And this one says extra large, which should fit a 42B to a 40D. I think that's kind of weird that it's like a range. There is an underwire in this. Okay, it's in a white. It's called the Dream Wire Cushioned Underwire, it says. Designed for a smooth look. So it'd be like a t-shirt bra. And then in the back, also kind of the smoothing straps right there. So if anyone's interested in this, let's just say $5. Okay. We have 2 boxes. We have this one and we have this one. I don't know which to open first. Let's go for this box. I don't see any markings on the outside of it. I'm not really sure what that means, but let's find out, y'all. Okay, we do have jewelry. It looks like it was supposed to be on this little pillow, but it came off. A bracelet, maybe? I don't know what brand that is. I'll have to look it up. Well, the bracelet on the inside says RC, and then it's got that same little symbol. So I will have to figure this out. I don't know. But this is the bracelet. It is a little bit of a stretch. Okay. Let's see if I can show you. You've got these pearls and then these gold tone balls. This is so cute, you guys. And in between these little pearls, there's faceted pink stones. I love this. I think this is so sweet. Oh, I love that. Okay, you know I love jewelry. So that's awesome. I'll have to look up that brand and see what it is. I have no idea. All right, next up, what does this say? Jacqueline Roxanne on the box. Oh my goodness, it's more jewelry. It says, with love, XO, Jacqueline. These kind of ripped off the card that they were stuck to, but you've got some gold tone hoops, like puffy hoops. I mean, they're new. They just ripped on the card. I don't want to rip it all the way off. Those are nice. Let's see. Let's open it up and see if there's more information in here. Let's see. There's this little card and there's nothing on the box. And I'm not familiar with this Jacqueline. It says, wear with love, keep it looking beautiful, and it will do the same for you. So it has instructions on how to take care of it, but no other information about the jewelry. So I will have to look this up. I don't know this Jacqueline, and I will have a price on the screen for these. Those are so cute. Yay. You guys, we got 3 pieces of jewelry in here. Okay, so let's see how many items we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So we got exactly 10 items. I loved this box. I mean, there were 3 pieces of jewelry. But I'm never mad about that, as we all know. And I love that this box was themed. So let me know what you guys think. I think that this was definitely a fun box. Anyways, thanks for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And until next week, bye y'all.